here at NAPA. Got my VIP invitation to check out their tools and equipment. Thought I'd take you guys along. So let's take a look at a few of the things they got going on here and see if we can't find any hot deals. Oh, there's some Carlisle stuff. 1/2 inch, 6 points. SAE. Something pretty freaking cool. What are these? Preset torque wrenches. Those are freaking cool. Got some sockets here, some 1/4 inch, 12 points, deeps, shallows, 6 point. What else we got up here? Some impacts, swivels. What's down in here? Some professional alloy ones, 15-piece sets. Got some dual action going on. Not sure what the deal is with that. Some of them look used actually. Some Carlisle hammers. Dead blows, some soft dead blows. Oh, these are freaking cool. Put this on whatever you're trying to break loose, like a fan clutch or something on a diesel. Strike that in with the hammer. Some box end stuff. My diesel guys out there. Hell yeah. Got some nice sets over here, Carlisle sets. Some wrenches, 3/4 inch stuff. Oh, those are freaking sweet. Look at those. Ratcheting, 6 point. Oh, I like this. Check this set out. What are those? Ignition style. Some 6 point flex heads. Flare nuts. Pliers. Ooh, high vis green screwdriver set. It's freaking cool. This double flex. Good, sir. How are you?
Oh, sorry, you're talking something.
Oh yeah, I know. I was checking out the. So we got some stubbies here. Some Gearwrench action. Flex head stubbies. These are kind of interesting. Look at this. Push that in to change the angle. Locks it down. Kind of dig that. Some more Gearwrench. Let's take a look over here. Some more Gearwrench. Little tap and die set. Ratcheting. That's pretty cool. T-handle. Hoists, chain hoists. Ooh, some lights. These are freaking cool. Magnetic. And are they rechargeable? Yep. Rechargeable USB. I'm digging that already. Magnetic base. Put it under the hood. Sweet. Alright, let's see, you got some Mighty Vet, some scan tool stuff, some CAN bus reading testers, pros for bus adapters, so that's pretty freaking cool. There's their Bosch power scan tool. Evolve, there's the OTC. What's up with this tablet? This is freaking kind of neat right here. I'll have to look into that. What is that? All-tail demo. Digging that. Encore, some DVLMs, got some Bosch. Fluke. That's nice. Smoke machine.
The real deals a lot of times is our lower price, but the tool cell may be less than this. You'd have to, if they punch this part number into the computer, it'll come up. Yeah, the SDS Poade's orange.
These are freaking awesome.
That's a pretty color. Home ec.
Alright, so that was a really interesting time. I had an enjoyable time going through and looking at all the different tools that NAPA had to offer between Carlisle, Chicago Pneumatic, Gearwrench, OTCs. They had some all-tail scan tools, Fluke, Bosch, even saw some of the NAPA common brand tools that they had there. A couple things I didn't record that I kind of wish that I did, but it was kind of getting late and I had to head on out. Was they had a really cool circle track car there that had, you know, the NAPA logos and everything on it. And they also had this really cool and interesting buggy that was like a Baja buggy for the desert runs that they actually do with the Baja out vehicles. So that was really cool. I got a chance to talk to the owner of one of them. It's pretty crazy what is all involved, and weight distribution and making sure everything's like really cool, and you got fans everywhere and where they stick tools in case they break down and everything. So that was actually pretty cool. There was also a caterer there who gave out free tacos, and they had beef, pork, and chicken, plus they had rice and frijoles. So that was pretty cool. I had very, very good food. That's why I gave him a $5 tip, and he pulled me back over, threw an extra couple of tacos on my plate, so I thought that was pretty awesome. Free soda, just a really good time. You know, they're playing some old hair band music there too, so that was kind of cool. Just kind of enjoyed it. It was an overall pretty fun experience to be able to go to those things. I like going to those things. I think the last one that I went to was Monsters of Metal tour, and that was with the Snap-on truck some, I want to say 4 years ago, like my first year at Chrysler. They haven't done that in a while. I wish they would, because that was really cool. I like the events that they do, things like that. I think they incorporated, you know, they did raffles, which they had a raffle here at this one too. They did things where you could play like poker and win so many chips, then you win a free Snap-on prize. They'd give out free shirts and free service cards and things like that, which was pretty rock and roll. Speaking of service cards, they did have some home ec toolboxes at the NAPA show, so that was pretty cool to see. Love that blue with the black trim. If I ever needed another toolbox, which obviously at this point in time I don't, but I kind of want one just because of the different color. At any rate, it's cool to look at, and I think their home ec boxes are really good. And if I had to do it all over again, I probably would have just gone with a home ec box, because there's nothing wrong with a good home ec box. The quality's there, and they're just good looking, you know what I mean? They got the colors and everything else. I wish they had catalogs out with the tools, but I didn't see any catalogs out at the show for some reason. Maybe they didn't have it set up just yet. The event was going on from 4 to 8. I think I was there. I got there like around 5 and left just before 6. So anyway, if you guys ever get a chance to see anything like that go on in your neck of the woods, be sure to go. You'll have an enjoyable time. It's fun. It's really fun for the whole family if you take the family with you. But even if you're just, you know, on the fly and it's in passing and you're on your way back to the house like I was today, it's really cool to go to it. So make sure you try to go to one of those if you can. You'll have a good time. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Alright, well that's all I got for this video, guys. Look, I hope you enjoyed it. Wish I would have taken some more clips. But these were as many clips as I could take while I was there, because I had, you know, some questions and things of a couple of the managers and the tool guys that were there that obviously didn't want to be on camera and so forth. So that's okay. I was still able to ask my questions offline, which was awesome. So that's all I got for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Cheers to those of you that have your beers. I hope you're enjoying your work week. We will see you later on. Deuces.